In this video, I'm going to show you another use for weed whacking line. Have you ever been using Tapcons and just as you go and tighten them out, they strip out in the hole? In my case, instead of the Tapcon threading into the brick and mortar, the Tapcon reamed the hole out and would no longer hold.
The screw is stripped out because it's in the mortar.
I'm not sure if the brick was too brittle or what happened, but nonetheless, now I have to come up with a different way of securing the box. Normally, to fix this problem, you would have to remove the box, drill the holes bigger, and use plastic plugs. If you have weed whacking line, you won't have to do that. Just cut a piece of line about 1 inch longer than the screw. Then insert the line into the hole.
Stick it in the hole.
Then leave it sticking out just a bit so the screw will grab it instead of pushing it into the hole.
It'll work just fine.
Now when you reinstall the screw will hold. If the screw doesn't seem to be tightening up, add another piece of line or several pieces until the screw tightens. When I went to mount my second box, I knew the screws weren't going to hold, so I automatically used the weed whacker line. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, visit me on Facebook. Until next time, thank you for watching.